everyone! So today we want to tell you that we have a new online resource called Brainfuse. Yes, Brainfuse. We're excited to announce this, that it's a new online database. Brainfuse is a cool resource to help students and parents of all ages to access online homework help, live homework help, sometimes, writing lab assistance, test prep, and study tools. Now we're going to focus on the live tutoring tool, how to submit a writing paper, and also how to submit a question if you missed that 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. time. So first, you would log on to our, go onto a browser, log on to our website right here, as you can see, www.ucmore.com/nuasis, and you go to our E branch right here, and you'll see all the information here. Take a little time because my Wi-Fi is going slow because I'm remote working, you all. So as you can see, we'll go to our E branch right here, and then you'll see the information on Adult Learning Center, live homework help, and online writing assistance. Now, just to remind you, before you log on to Brainfuse, you will have to have a Nueces County Public Library card, which is free. We are not affiliated with the Corpus Christi City Public Libraries. You can get a library card from Nueces County at the Keachami Library or the Bishop Branch Library or the Law Library. But right now, since we're closed, you can actually apply for one online on our website. Right here, get a library card. But now, since going to Brainfuse, we'll go on there and click on View Resource, and we'll see that you'll log on there, like I said, with a library card. Now, all this is live tutoring help. They'll have a one-on-one assistance with a tutor that has a master's degree. They can help you with any subject with any grade level. So to get started, you would enter your library card barcode number here. So first we're going to go over live tutoring, available every day of the week from 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. So you'll click on live tutoring right here. Like I said, my Wi-Fi is going just a little slow, but right here you would select a grade level. So let's say 4th grade, and they can help you with any subject right here on the drop-down box. Or if you're in high school, they can also help you with any subject right here as well. Once you pick your subject, you'll get live help, and it'll take you to a whiteboard and a live tutor, which you can put all your questions and information through there. Now, if you need Spanish, you can click on this link right here, and you will be directed to a live tutor that speaks Spanish as well. Our next tab that we're going to go over is the writing lab. Writing lab will be helpful for those that are writing papers, but you will have to submit this paper about 2 or 3 days in advance, because they'll try and get to you within 24 hours. So you'll have expert writing online assistance, and you'll follow all the instructions that come up on there on how to upload your paper from your computer or from a whiteboard, and you can upload your file there. And you'll get writing experts that will analyze and provide helpful feedback and comments through there as well. And then you can submit your paper on there. And once you submit your paper, you'll get the paper back, like I said, within 24 hours. You'll go to your message center right there, and you'll see all the information through there. Also, through your account, you can create an account through Brainfuse, and you'll be assigned a username, and you can put in your own password. And once you get that all information, you can download an app. Yes, an app available for free on your iPhone, on your iPad through the Apple Store, or on your Android through the Google Store. And you can also get live tutoring on your app phone as well. So exciting, right? My kids are not in school yet, but when they do, I probably would like to use this as well. Now, I have sisters that are in high school, and I'm pretty sure they'll probably use this as well too. And I have one in college, would also help be doing live tutoring on there as well. Now, if you miss the deadline or miss between that 2 p.m. to 11 p.m., you can also send a question and get expert help. It's the same as the live tutoring, but without live tutoring, it's just sending a question through there, through Brainfuse. You can ask any question through the different grades here, say second grade, and you can click any subject that you have. Or if you're in college, like I said, my sister is, and you can select any information or question through there, a subject through there, send in your question, and you'll receive feedback. Submit your question, and you'll receive feedback through your message center. So those are the 3 exciting things that we have on Brainfuse on Help Now. But the most exciting one that that they also feature service is FAFSA Live Help. You can get assistance by filling out your FAFSA application for those that are going into a college. Now we also have study information, which you can have flashcards, tests, and games. If you're wanting to get ready for that exam, that standardized test, you can click on that flashcards and you can get ready and do some test prep with the group or just by yourself, anything like that. Also available through your iPhone or your smart device as well. I know this is going just a little slow, you all. But see, and there's all the different flashcard sets. You can create your own. You can ace those exams that you'll have just for fun. You know, you can play games with your flashcards, study anytime and anywhere with all that. So that is with Flashbulb. We also have eParachute. It's kind of like an aptitude test, so you can discover your major or your career that match your skills and interests as well there. You can collaborate with friends or in a private study room by yourself and just study by put in information on there as well for information that you try and do with different subjects as well. Now, all is available for free with your Nueces County Public Library card. Again, not affiliated with the City of Corpus Christi Library card. And we hope Brainfuse can prove a valuable resource for you parents and also students. Because who needs help during this time when you're remote working? You can access a live homework help or just homework help in general, submit papers to the writing lab. We hope you enjoy this online resource brought to you by the TSLAC CARES grant that we submitted an application for. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to Facebook message us, Instagram message us, email us, or call us. Thanks everyone. We hope to see you soon. Bye.